In a lot of companies, it's really a whole team of people that help out in the accounting side of the business, kind of that the back end, the back of the house type business. And really, there's several different things that they should be working on. First, they should be putting together your financial reporting package. And that's really your standard, both financial and non-financial information that tell about the financial health of your business. It'll be things like your income statement, balance sheet, looking at your cash flows, looking up any large customers that have balances outstanding, your DSO, which is an accounts receivable metric, your inventory reporting, your pipeline, your forecast of new sales, those types of things. You should have a monthly reporting package that your accounting team puts together. That's one of the most important duties of an accountant. The next thing that they're going to do, they're going to be looking at the internal controls of the organization. And really that's establishing, control over the cash and other assets of the business and all your business sensitive information. It's looking at who can pay bills and who can authorize people or authorize the bank to send your money to some other place. Who's signing up people on your payroll system? You want to have control over that so that your funds, your cash in your business doesn't fly away. It stays within the business or is only released when you, the owner, authorize it. So you want to make sure that the accounting department or somebody in the organization is maintaining and evaluating your system of internal controls. An accounting department is going to look at the banking side of things, and scheduling when you're going to need cash. If you have a line of credit, taking money out of that line of credit, making sure that you're doing your bank reconciliations and you know exactly how much cash is, just because cash is such an important aspect of the business. You're going to want your accounting team to look at the tax administration. There's a lot of tax duties that go on year round. Certainly there's income tax, on a federal and state basis, but there's also sales tax that happens on a regular basis. There's your property tax reporting. So you want to make sure you have that tax calendar set up and your accounting team is monitoring and making sure that things are being done on time. If you have a larger company, you're going to have that accountant do some accounting department management and really, hiring and training the people that are hired in the business and, make sure that they've got the right skills, that they're staying up to speed on the different accounting and tax rules that are out there. So you want to make sure that your team is knowledgeable and prepared to do the job. And I guess aside from that, there's always special projects in the accounting area. Your accountant's going to be doing things like, profitability analysis or doing a tax study to say, hey, how can I save money on taxes? Or a whole bunch of other special projects. So there's always special projects in the accounting side of the business, and that's what they're going to be working on. How much does an accountant charge? Really, that question is, it depends. It really depends on the complexity of the business and what you want that person to do. Really, I think usually it's a very reasonable fee. You get a lot out of an accountant, especially if, say, they're doing your taxes, because they're hopefully doing some research and understanding your situation so that they can save you money in the long run with reducing your taxes or keeping track of your finance in a way that you can understand them and maximize your business. So I have to say the answer to that question is, it depends. It depends on what you're getting. And I always think you get what you pay for. So find a good accountant and pay them what they're worth.